Hi, my name's Mark and welcome to Membership Websites. How do we add a content section to the home page? We can see we've got various content here displayed. Let's say we want to add a content section between our newest members and our blog articles. Let's go to the back end of the website. Let's go to Settings, Design Settings. When that loads, go to Home page. Scroll down and you want select content to display. We're going to create some content in custom content 1. So you can scroll here and find the content section that you want. Click on edit. We're going to use a pre-made elements. We're going to just grab some content, drop it in. We're going to save that. Now we want it to display between streaming members and streaming blog articles. So we're going to move it just by dragging it up to that section. We're going to then save this page. We're going to go back to the main website, refresh the page. And hopefully our new content element should be listed there just between newest members and blog articles. And it is just there. That's how you can add some content to the home page. I hope you found that useful and thanks for watching.